Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, everyone. First, let me introduce myself. I am Raswin. I am a doctoral student from the State University of Jakarta, majoring in sport education. Please allow me to present my paper with the title Swimming Theory and Practice Learning Model Web-Based Electronic Module. Introduction. The current development in the field of ICT an opportunity for lecture to improve the dynamics of learning activities by providing online learning resource that can be accessed anytime and anywhere in learning in higher education. Online learning resource can be designed to present a learning module, which in this case is referred to as an electronic module. Online learning resource learning resource allow the learning process to achieve achievement in the form of complex skill need in the global era while enabling student-centered learning. Miss 2006. The result of the study according to that science learning based on online learning resource must still be followed by an informal face-to-face communication model with students to obtain optimal results. In line with this, according to Arani 2004, reporting the result of his research that the use of online learning resource is more effective than traditional method by delivering lectures in front of the class. Research by Alomari 2009 showed the learning based on online learning resource can support students' ability to collect information such as learning material. Practical learning in practicum course does not only focus on learning skill or skill alone. However, in achieving movement skill that are states that must be passed so that the skill can enter the automation state. According to Fit and Posner, 1967, about the learning pace, advice that suggested when we learn something new, we go through is process moving through specific pace, the more we improve. There are the paces. There are three paces: cognitive pace, associative pace, autonomous pace. At the automation state, autonomous state. Therefore, physical education is planned combination of other aspects. There is the finding of research conduct in the 70 and 80 comparing the use and computer is a learning. Everyone also showed is like in a Christian student achievement after using computer. Learning also include many of the familiar components of traditional learning, such as presentation of idea by student, group discussion, argument, and many other forms of carrying information and gathering knowledge. Curriculum content can be arranged according to subject in serial or modular. Method in development of the electronic module in the online-based swimming theory and practice subject 1, right? The website program, the research you said the Bock and Gall research and development procedural model. The population of this study were 150 students who were involved in the swimming theory and practice course at their universities in Medan. While the sample was selected with a special purpose, namely purposive, with the classification of students who are taking the swimming theory and practice course in each university, which is determined randomly. The data analysis technique used is a quantitative descriptive analysis technique with a percentage to ensure the product is feasible to implement. This technique is used to analyze quantitative data obtained from the results of distributing evaluation questionnaires from swimming expert, learning technology expert, field test result, and effectiveness testing by students regarding the result of the product developed. The instrument used in this study was a questionnaire for needs analysis, an expert evaluation questionnaire, and a model test question for students. Result. The result of developing a web-based learning model for the theory and practice swimming 1 are in the form of a learning application and a learning guidebook for swimming theory and practice subject 1. The learning material for the theory and practice of swimming 1 is packaged in the form of a website that can be accessed independently by students via an internet network and can be opened via laptop, computer, or smartphone. The website contains video, audio, photo, as well as a text description about basic technique and how to practice. The average percent of evaluation result from media expert is 78.93%. So that this product can be used in the development of an electronic swimming module. The average percentage of evaluation result from learning expert is 7 is 79.32%. So that this product can be used in development of electronic module. The average percentage of evaluation result from swimming expert is 87.25%. So that this product can be used in development of electronic module. The product developed have been declared feasible by expert and a positive response from most of the student wide very interesting product category. This becomes the basis for research to implement the Mindfully test. After implementing development of online-based swimming electronic module, it can that be concluded that this development can answer problems caused by the lack of teaching material use. The creativity of using online technology also turns out to be able to improve learning outcome for swimming skill compared to previous lesson. As an innovation in learning media, in swimming lesson that is applied in university in 21st century learning, as well as his lectures in facilitating students who have different learning characteristics and speed, as well as providing an alternative to students who are embarrassed to express opinion in conventional class. This electronic module product is appropriate to use. The development of this electronic module is expected that lecture can take advantage of learning media as an alternative to building blended learning that is accordance with the characteristic and needs of learning everyone that can be used anywhere and anytime. Thank you for your all attention. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.